recording artist charged with murder after fatal stabbing incident. Wanted man among 4 shot dead in St. Charles Village. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 32-year-old Troy Walker, recording artist of Tri-City District, St. Anne, charged with murder following the stabbing death of 22-year-old Andrew McDonald, a call center worker on Friday, July 21st. Reports from the Brownstown police are that about 12:20 a.m., both men were at a function in their community when an argument developed between them. During the altercation, Walker used a pair of scissors to stab McDonald. McDonald left the function and later returned to Walker's home with a knife, where he attacked him. A tussle ensued, citizens intervened, and the now deceased man was seen lying on his back in a pool of blood. He was taken to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Walker was apprehended and subsequently charged on Friday, July 28, after a question and answer session and an identification parade. His court date is being finalized. A man wanted by the St. Catherine South Police Division was among 4 men shot dead in St. Charles Village Friday morning. He has been identified as Justin McGregor, otherwise called AK Man, who was at the top of the St. Catherine South Police Most Wanted list. McGregor was said to be the leader of the feared Jaggy Jaggy gang. The others were identified as Mark Ellis, alias Frosty T, a man only known as Mento, and a man only known as Utterman. The St. Charles Village Police reported that about 3:30 a.m., explosions were heard in the area by residents. Police later found the bodies of the men with multiple gunshot wounds about 8 a.m. Investigators believe an internal gang feud was the reason for the shootings. More details to come following further investigations.